Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. I brought a speech for you to speak on the occasion of International Literacy Day 2020. Education is the most powerful weapon for changing the world. Just think for a while how different our lives would be if we could not read and write. Our literacy is a treasure for which we are grateful. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization created International Literacy Day in 1967. This annual celebration is celebrated every 8th of September to raise awareness and concern for literacy problem globally. This day reminds us that illiteracy is a problem that needs to be solved and gives us a reason to be thankful for our grandparents, parents, teachers, and to those who help us to read and write. This year, International Literacy Day 2020 focuses on literacy teaching and learning in COVID-19 crisis. Due to COVID-19, schools and colleges are shut, and all educators are facing a lot of problems in providing education to the students. In this critical situation, this day is dedicated to all the future and nation-building heroes. International Literacy Day 2020 provides an opportunity to think and discuss how innovative and effective pedagogies and methodologies can be used in youth and adult literacy programs to face the pandemic and beyond. A country wants to achieve the goal of 100% literacy rate. For this, students' involvement in the literacy programs is required. The question before us is, how could a student help to remove illiteracy? If a student takes responsibility himself, that he will engage in the learning process and will support others too. Without students being available and ready to learn, teacher could not teach him. So, let's everybody be the part in spreading the light of literacy during the COVID-19 crisis. Thank you.